Hi guys, Anton Bayon here with the Gaia team and Interior Real Estate, and we have yet another unique opportunity for you. This property here is located within Warm Springs of Fremont, California. This is a single family house consisting of 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, all within over 2,000 square feet of living area. This property is located on a premium corner lot within the community and has some of the top rated schools that Fremont has to offer. Let's take a look around.
Walking into this home, you will instantly notice the beautiful and modern architectural style it has to showcase. Arched banisters and arched entrances will impress all of your friends and family. Further into the home, it opens up to the living room and kitchen, accompanied by the dining area. Here is where you will intuitively notice the abundance of natural light that is coming in. With windows on all sides and 9-foot ceilings, you will feel so free. Into the kitchen, the large island with an integrated bar sets the tone. Notice the upgraded countertops. Opening up a cabinet or drawer, you will feel the quality of the solid wood they comprise of. Your new kitchen also comes with a gas stove, stainless steel appliances, which include a brand new dishwasher. Connected to the kitchen is a relaxing balcony, and since this property is on a premium corner lot, there is plenty of distance between the balcony and other properties. On the same floor is the first of 4 bedrooms, with plenty of space, light, and adjacent next to the first of 3 full bathrooms. It makes this bedroom perfect for an office or short or long-term guests. Up to the top floor, first you will see the laundry room. This is excellent to have here, so you're not running up and down the stairs for laundry changes. Further ahead is the second bedroom. Take a look. Again, notice the abundance of natural light coming in. Wow. Open up the windows, and due to the elevation, you will instantly feel the burst of fresh air coming in. Onto the other rooms, you'll pass a very useful integrated counter and cabinet set that is affixated along the corridor. Past this is the second full-size bathroom. Its generous size will surely accommodate both junior rooms. The remaining junior room, which echoes the same natural sunlight you loved in all the other rooms. Now into the primary room. Wow, impressive and breathtaking. This room has it all. Check out the view directly from the window. Beautiful mountain views will make you feel so relaxed every time. Now step into the primary bathroom, featuring a dual sink vanity with the same high quality solid wood cabinetry you felt in the kitchen. This bathroom also features spacious soak-in tub and a walk-in shower. Speaking of walk-in, check out the walk-in closet as well. This bathroom has everything you'd wish for and some. At the lower level, you will have your very own bonus room. Use it as a wine cellar, an office, a man cave, a she shed, yoga room, whatever you'd like, it's all up to you. Adjacent to your bonus room, check out the huge storage room. Wow. Connected to your bonus room is a spacious 2-car garage, very clean, equipped, and upgraded with storage cabinets and a tankless water heater. On the exterior of this home, you have a very own inviting front porch to relax on. Additionally, there's your very own side yard, enough room for outside gatherings, barbecues, and much more. Stepping back a bit more on the exterior, just look at this home. The home speaks elegant and modern. Aside from all these great features, this home also includes, but not limited to, integrated speakers, plantation shutters, recessed lighting, dual pane windows, plush carpet, and for security, you have an ADT system and interior fire sprinklers.
Alright guys, you've seen it all and you heard everything of what this property has to offer. Now it's time for you to schedule your tour today.